Some very unsettled weather ahead, potentially quite disruptive as well. Storm Claudia, that's been named by the Spanish Met Service. There's a weather front wrapped up in that and it's introducing some very heavy rain. Now there's a widespread yellow warning out, but there's also a more focused amber warning out, and that's a be prepared warning. So we are expecting some disruption from this rainfall. So there's Claudia there. It was named much earlier in the week by the Spanish Met Service, and it's been responsible for maintaining this relatively mild feed of air. But it's this weather front here that we're most concerned about, and as exactly how much rainfall we're going to see, it could be anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks worth of rainfall over the period throughout tomorrow. But the rain will start over the next hour or so showery outbreaks of rain for all of us as we head through Friday. The breeze will pick up as well by tomorrow morning, and it's coming in from the northeast, and that's the start as well of temperatures dropping back, but temperatures at around 11 degrees Celsius. That weather warning in place then throughout all of Friday. It turns into an amber warning for much of the day, so that's a be prepared warning, so disruption is likely. It's blustery as well, and temperatures at around 12 degrees Celsius, largely academic, a very unsettled day of weather ahead. Now here are your times of high water on Friday. At Cromer, 1:30 in the morning, and then again at 10 to 3 tomorrow evening. But from Friday into Saturday, eventually that weather front should push away to the north. It fizzles out as well as it does so, and we're left behind with just a legacy of cloud and a lot of moisture around as well. So let's just take a look at the detail for that. A lot of moisture, murky conditions first thing on Saturday morning. You'll notice as well subtle change in wind direction. It's now coming in from the northeast, and you'll see that as well in the temperatures, just the introduction of something a little cooler, maximum temperatures of 10 degrees Celsius. Then as we head into Sunday and into Monday, temperatures dropping right back into single digits. Well, Storm Claudia to bring some very wet weather to many of us as we head through Friday. Now, Storm Claudia was named by the Spanish Met Service. It was named much earlier in the week. It's been responsible for bringing some mild air this week, but through this evening and overnight, it is going to bring some very heavy rainfall. There's Claudia there, just sitting out to the west in the southwest in the Atlantic. And this is the weather front that's slowly but surely moving its way northwards. As we head through tomorrow, it'll get stuck here, and that's where the rainfall accumulations are expected. So as we head through the next few hours, if that rain isn't with you, soon arriving in, so turning damp and wet through tonight, outbreaks of rain. Now underneath the cloud and rain, temperatures still holding up at around 11 degrees Celsius, but a fairly unsettled, wet, damp start to tomorrow. And you'll notice as well, subtle shift in wind direction, the wind coming in from the northeast, and that's the beginning as well of something a little bit colder arriving in. But damp, wet start through Friday, a weather warning in place throughout much of the day, and for some of that, there's an amber warning in place. So we are likely to see some disruption, whether it's to your travel or whether it's localised flooding, but the potential is there. So please do stay up to date with the forecast if you do have to travel tomorrow. Temperature-wise, highs of around 11 degrees Celsius, but largely academic underneath the cloud and rain. Now, if we look from Friday into Saturday, you can see that weather front very slowly but surely moving its way northwards. As it does so, it starts to fizzle out, but it'll leave behind a legacy of moisture and some rain as well. So let's just take a look at the detail for Saturday. Fairly murky start to Saturday, but overall a good deal of dry weather around, a lot of cloud, and you notice the wind now coming in from the northeast. So a little bit chillier on Saturday, maximum temperatures of around 11 degrees Celsius, certainly limited in sunshine. And then as we head from Sunday into Monday, temperatures dropping right back into single digits.